An asset health index is a means to document what you already know about transformer data, analysis, and support planning into the future. An asset health index should, at the first instance, mean something. It has to have a value. It's a number, or a letter, or a code, and we must understand exactly what the implications are for each individual index. The whole organization in an asset management world needs to understand the value that an asset health index can bring in streamlining work and justifying work. An asset health index is an example of an algorithm which is used to support asset management decisions. In some cases, people forget that they need to understand the details of the algorithm, and the role of artificial intelligence and fuzzy logic is to support the asset manager, not to replace the asset manager and the decisions. So my transformer is a very pleasant event to attend. There are many people in a collegial atmosphere discussing oil, discussing transformers, discussing the industry.